How to make money with Amazon affiliate without a website. Hello everyone, I'm Jason, and in this video I'll be showing you 2 ways how you can start making money with Amazon affiliate as a complete beginner without a website or without any form of investment. As you can see here, I'm currently on Amazon.com. And in case you don't know, Amazon affiliate program is one of the most popular programs around, this is mainly because Amazon is well known and it's a trusted brand. So when you promote an Amazon product, a person is more likely to tap on that link and make a purchase as they trust Amazon as a brand. And also Amazon sales page or product pages are some of the best you will ever come across online, as they are optimized to make customers purchase and come back for more. And you can also promote Amazon Audible or other subscriptions, as you can see right here on Audible, for someone to simply use your Audible affiliate link and sign up for a free trial basis on Audible without paying any money or that. You'll be able to get $5. As you can see here, for Audible free trial digital membership, you will get $5. So let's dive in. How would I promote Amazon affiliate without a website? The first thing that I would recommend you do is give YouTube a try. I know you may be thinking that how you're going to get the video to create a YouTube video. Well, that's quite easy to do. Once you go onto Amazon and sign up with their affiliate program, which you can do after creating your YouTube website, as you can use that link and add it to your Amazon affiliate profile, then you can go onto Amazon and you'll be able, as you can see in my top left hand corner, I can get a link to the item that is currently being shown on this page. So you'll go onto Amazon, you will search for the products that you would like to create a video on. Let's say I want to create a video on this food chopper right here. Next thing you're going to do, you're going to download an app by the name of Video Downloader Professional. And this app you can get it on Chrome, and I think you can get it on your MacBook also. And it's a free extension. Once you have downloaded this app, you will see this triangle on the top of your screen right here. So whenever you go onto a website that has a video, again, let's go back to Amazon. Once you have selected a product on Amazon, most of the time they also have a video showing how the product is used and promoting the product. Once you have the video downloader app or extension downloaded on your laptop, and there's a video on the page, you will see the V with a 1 on it. You can simply tap on that, and from there you can tap on download, and you'll be able to download the product video. After you have downloaded the product videos, for example, let's say you want to do a top 5 best food chopper, and you download 5 videos. After you have downloaded the 5 videos, you would go onto a free website by the name of canva.com. On canva.com you can select video, and from here you can select YouTube video, and you could arrange the 5 videos for free on YouTube. So you would create a YouTube video for free on Canva, and you can simply write in text, link in description for best prices, and that's it. Once someone goes and watches your YouTube video, for example this one right here, 5 best gaming laptops. Once someone goes and watches your YouTube video and they see link in description and they go to your description, you can add your affiliate links right here, and once they tap on your affiliate link, you will be able to get a sale. I would also recommend that you download TubeBuddy. That's a free plugin that you'll be able to use on YouTube to get better analytics and also better ways to rank your video. For example, you can see that I'm currently on Best Products YouTube page, and you can see the tags that they have used in this video. So you can copy this tag by simply tapping on show ranking. You can see it right there. And let's say you want to create a video just like this, best gaming laptops. You could tap on copy to, and you could copy the tags and then paste it in your description of your video or your tag section of your video. And all of this is for completely free. And there are numerous pages that are doing this, as not only is Best Products doing this, but you can see this page by the name of Best Reviews, and you can also see this page right here by the name of Consumer Body. And as you can see, they are getting tons of views monthly, 567,000 views monthly, and all of their videos, are majority of them are below 6 minutes long. And with these videos you can add a voiceover if you like, or you could simply find a rhythm or a song on YouTube Music that you can use. The second way that you can start making money with Amazon affiliate without a website is TikTok. Yes, TikTok. TikTok is one of the fastest growing social media platforms in the world. And as you can see right here, there are numerous persons that are doing this on TikTok to make money. All you will have to do, again, you would go onto Amazon and you would download the product or products that you want to promote on your TikTok page. After you have done this, you would have to grow your TikTok page to 1,000 followers. Once you have grown it to 1,000 followers, you'll be able to add a link in your TikTok description, and from there you can redirect them to your Amazon page. As you can see, this person is doing right now, shop my videos here, and once a person taps on this link, they will go to a page just like Linktree, on which you can add more than one links, and from here you can redirect them to your Amazon offers. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful and motivating, and that you start trying something to make some money online.